You see that color? That rich color. Alright. Wagwan apples, welcome back. So today I'll be doing another rice water video, only this time it will be black rice water. And to start this DIY off, I'm using a mason jar. So I do have two completely different rice water videos. I'm going to link them up in the iCard, so make sure you check them out. So now rice water improves elasticity, strengthens the hair, detangle the hair, gives it volume, increased growth, helps to restore damaged hair. It's filled with amino acid, vitamin E, mineral vitamin B, rich in antioxidants, and it increases shine. You guys supposed to already know all that good stuff from my previous videos, but you know, black rice water is said to be healthier, so of course I'm thinking that it is better for our hair. Let me know what you think down below. I'll be using my measuring cup to get 1 cup of black rice, and then I'll be just pouring it into my mason jar. And you do want, oh, I'm not gonna break the surprise like that, so stay tuned to know what's next. Right here I'm using 1 cup of water to 16 ounces of water, and that was good enough, and you'll find out later why that was good enough. The surprise is coming. Keep watching. So I lost the file where I was showing you guys that I washed the rice. You do want to wash your rice to get rid of all impurities. Okay guys, so this is the black rice water after 3 days. So you know it's well fermented. As you can see, or I'm not sure if you can see, the rice has swelling a lot. Ta-da! That was the surprise. It swells a lot and it doesn't carry a scent. Boom! So you see the portion that you would use when you use the brown rice or the white rice, you have to use a smaller amount of the black rice because it swells. So I'm just going to give it one last shake and then strain it. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. I know a lot of you might be wondering, so Mo, what's the difference? Doesn't white rice swell? No, white rice does not swell when it's fermented, but black rice does, and so you have to be careful of your measurement. You don't want to put too much rice in there, because while you can get away with the white rice, you can't with the black rice, or you have to just use a bigger container. So now I'm going to pour it into this bottle and apply it to my hair in the shower. Now I'm in the shower and I'm just applying it all over my hair. I'll apply it until I feel like my hair is fully saturated and I'm comfortable, which by the way I used all of it, and then I'll just put on my steam cap and sit underneath my dryer for 30 minutes. Yes, and I love that. It's so therapeutic to me. After 30 minutes, now I'm ready to wash it out. My final thoughts is I would use it again, knowing that it has so much amazing benefits even after you wash it out. But I do realize that it didn't detangle my hair the way I thought it would. However, my hair felt very soft. It was a little drying. It wasn't like no major dryness, but it was a little drying. And it didn't have any smell, so that means I prefer using it over the white rice because I can't take the smell, even though I used to use lemon or essential oil to spruce it up, and it would smell better. But yeah, I'll definitely try it again. Those were some of the pros and the cons of it, so you choose. You're feeling